Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a very simple pixel art picture, and this picture you can draw as card for Valentine Day. For this picture I need black felt pen, red, violet, pink, yellow, sky blue and light green. Let's go drawing. Firstly I take black felt pen and I will start my drawing from the bottom right corner of the picture. This box will be right bottom corner of this picture, and I should paint over 7 boxes to the left horizontally. From this box skip 3 boxes to the left, 1, 2, 3, and we should paint over 5 boxes to the left horizontally. Now go diagonally to the left and color in 2 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and color in 2 boxes up. And again go diagonally and color in 2 boxes up. Now go diagonally and color in 4 boxes up. From this box skip 2 boxes to the right and color in 3 boxes down here. Go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes down. Now go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes one by one. Now go diagonally up to the right and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes up. And again go diagonally to the right and color in 3 boxes up. Now from this box skip 2 boxes to the right, mark this box and painting over all these boxes vertically, like this. Now from this box go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes up. Again go diagonally to the right and up and color in 2 boxes vertically. And again go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes vertically here. Now color in these 2 boxes horizontally. These 5 boxes horizontally. And these 2 boxes horizontally. And from this box skip 2 boxes to the left and color in 1 box here. From this box go up and color in 2 boxes up. Turn into the left and color in 3 boxes horizontally. Here 2 boxes up. 3 boxes to the right here. 2 boxes up here. Here turn into the left, color in 3 boxes horizontally to the left. Here 2 boxes up. Turn into the right, color in 3 boxes horizontally here. 2 boxes up here. And 5 boxes horizontally here. Now from this box go to the left to 1 box and up and color in 2 boxes up here. Go diagonally to the right and color in 6 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and color in 2 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and color in 7 boxes horizontally to the left. From this box go diagonally to the left and down and color in 2 boxes vertically here. From this box go diagonally to the left and down and color in 6 boxes down. And here go diagonally to the right and down and color in 2 boxes vertically here. From this box, go to the left and coloring 4 boxes horizontally. From this box, go up and coloring 8 boxes up. From this box, go to the left and coloring 3 boxes horizontally. And from this box, go down and painting over all these boxes vertically. Now from this box, skip 2 boxes to the right and painting over 2 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 3 boxes down here. Now turning to the right diagonally and coloring 3 boxes one by one. Go up diagonally and coloring 2 boxes one by one. Go diagonally to the right and up and coloring 3 boxes vertically up. Now turning to the left diagonally and coloring 2 boxes to the left. And here 1 box. Now I take red felt pen and coloring this heart by red. I take pink felt pen and coloring this heart by pink. Now I take light green felt pen and coloring this letter by light green. This letter I will color by sky blue. Letter O I will color by yellow. And now I take violet felt pen and I am coloring this letter by violet. That's all, I finished my drawing. As you see, it's very simple pixel art picture. Love. It's very nice picture for Valentine card. If you enjoyed my video and my picture, please give me your likes under the video. Subscribe to my channel and happy Valentine Day. See you soon, bye bye.